Jain students, so today we are going to study about the new method of LCM by the prime factorization. So one method already you have done in online classes, that is known as LCM by common multiple. Okay, in that we find the LCM by taking the common multiple of the given numbers. Okay, today we are going to find the LCM by prime factorization method. So let's start with the example. So here we have to find the LCM of 16 and 30. Okay, we have to find the LCM of 16 and 30 by prime factorization. And in the last video I have told you that what is prime number. So we are going to use that. So prime numbers are that which have only two factors, 1 and itself. So here, and the lowest prime number is 2. We know that the lowest prime number is 2. So in the prime factorization, what we have to do? We have to divide the given numbers by the prime numbers. So first of all, we start with the lowest prime number. So let's start. First we will find the LCM of 16. So what we have to do? We have to divide 16 by the lowest prime number, and the lowest prime number is what? 2. If it is not divisible, suppose there is some other number, and if it is not divisible, you will take the other number. Okay. So here it is divisible by 2. So I am dividing it by 2 first. So you have to write 2 here, and when you will divide 16 by 2, you will get the quotient 8. So what you have to write here? We have to write the quotient here. So here I am writing 8 because when you will divide 16, it will come 8. So 2 8s are 16. Now again it is divisible by 2. So we will write 2 here. Until it is divisible by 2, you have to divide it by 2. And one thing you have to remember, that you have to take only the prime numbers, not other numbers. So again when you will divide it by 2, answer will come 4. That means the quotient will come 4. 2 4s are 8. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now when you will get 1 at last, you have to stop there. Okay. So this is the prime factorization of 16. Now we will come to the next number. We have to find the prime factorization of 30 also. So what? Again we will start with the lowest prime number, and the lowest prime number is 2. So when you will divide 30 to 2, what is the quotient will come? 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 2 5s are 10. So what is the quotient you can see here? 15. If you know how to divide it directly, you can divide it. I am telling you that also. When you will divide 2 to 3, 2 1s are 2, you will write 1 here. But from here 1 is left, so 1 will come with 0 and it will become 10. So when you will divide 10 to 2, it will come 2 5s are 10. You can do it directly also. Now see, this is the odd number, so it is not divisible by 2 because 2 is an even number. It is an odd number, and we know that 15 is not divisible by 2. So we will come to the next prime number, and next prime number is what? 3. So we know that 15 is divisible by 3. So when you will divide 15 to 3, it will come 3 5s are 15. Now again it is not divisible by 3, it is divisible by 5. So what will we do? We will take 5, and this is 5 1s are 5. Now you got 1 here, you have to stop. Now what we do for the LCM? Okay. So for LCM you have to do a simple thing. I am telling you that you have to make a chart. Okay. So first of all you have to see that which prime numbers you can see here. So I can see 2 here, I can see 3 here, and I can see 5 here. The prime numbers which you can see in the given prime factorization. So I can see 2 in this, 2 is there also, and 3 and 5. So we will make a table here. Now you have to write that how many times 2 has come in the factorization of 16. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many times it has come? It has come 4 times. So you will write 4 here. And how many times 2 has third factorization of 30, you can see it has come only one time. So we will write 1 here. Now what you have to do? Now you have to see for 3. So how many times 3 has come in the factorization of 16? 0 times. So you will write 0 here. Now how many times 3 has come in the factorization of 30? 1 time. So you will write 1 here. Now come to the 5. So again you can see in the factorization of 16 there is no 5. So we will write 0 and 1 time in the factorization of 30. Okay, so we will write 1 here. Now how do we find the LCM? So after making this table, you have to see that maximum number of time, like 2, we have to see that 2, maximum number of time 2 has come in which number? In either in 16 or in 30. That means you have to take the maximum number of time of 2. Okay, so you can see in the factorization of 16, 2 has come 4 times. So you have to take the maximum time of that number. So you will take 2 4 times. So here LCM will be, you have to write 4 times 2 because we have to take maximum of these. So I am taking 4. And when you will see the factorization of 3, maximum number of time is 1. So you will write 1. You will write 3 at 1 time only, and like that 5 is also 1 time maximum. So you will write 5 here. Now you have to multiply all these. Okay. Again I am explaining that what you have to see, that maximum time in which 2 has come, maximum time in which 3 has come, and maximum time in which 5 has come, you have to take that time only. Like 2 has come 4 times in this. So you will take 4 times 2. You don't have to take 4 plus 1, 5. You don't have to add it. You have to take the maximum only. It is 1, it is 4, and 4 is maximum. So you will take 4 times 2, and in this 1 is maximum. So you will take 1 time 3. So here I have written 1 time, and in these two 1 is maximum. So you will take 1 time 5. Now what we have to do, you have to multiply all these numbers. So when you will multiply, what will be the answer? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, and 48 5s are, you can multiply it. 5 8s are 40, 5 4s are 20, and 24. So what is the answer? 240. Okay. So like that we have to find the LCM by prime factorization method.